Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug a certified lightning cable into the ILX-W650's USB port and connect your iPhone. Once connected, watch the head unit prompt for Apple CarPlay permission. Tap to allow. Make sure iPhone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled because CarPlay negotiates over both. If this is your first time, accept the prompt on both the screen and your phone. Keep the phone unlocked and on the home screen while the units pair. This speeds negotiation and prevents delays. Once done accepting prompts, you'll see the CarPlay interface on the Alpine. You can rearrange icons from your iPhone, Settings General CarPlay, select the ILX-W650, then drag apps where you want them. Use the Alpine touchscreen for quick taps and the rotary knob for precise scrolling when driving. If audio or maps don't route correctly, make sure the ILX is selected as the iPhone's output device in Control Center. Adjust brightness and volume on the unit to match driving conditions. To finish, test navigation, calls, and music. Open Maps, place a call, and stream audio to confirm full functionality. When you stop the car, simply disconnect the cable. The head unit will return to source mode. If CarPlay won't appear, try the troubleshooting step. Reboot your iPhone and restart the ILX-W650, then try a different certified cable. Make sure firmware and iOS are updated. That single tip fixes most quirks and keeps CarPlay stable on the Alpine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.